Hey guys, are you want to buy best retractable extension cord? Then you're on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best retractable extension cord that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Vevor Retractable Extension Cord, Vevor 45FT. Heavy-duty retractable extension cord reel is built for durability and performance, featuring a rugged 1-to-a-WG3 CSJ TOW cord. It resists water, oil, chemicals, and extreme temperatures from -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 221 degrees Fahrenheit, with 45 feet of extension and a 4.5 feet lead-in cord. It delivers 15A, 125V, 1875W. Power ideal for tools and heavy-duty applications. Its smooth automatic retract system prevents kinks, and a ratchet mechanism locks the cord at any length. A lighted triple outlet with a 15A circuit breaker adds safety and convenience. The 180 swivel mount makes wall or ceiling installation easy, saving space and reducing clutter. Whether in your garage, workshop, or job site, this retractable reel ensures reliable, tangle-free power whenever you need it. Now our second product is a Dewenwils Retractable Extension Cord. This 50FT retractable extension cord reel is a reliable power solution for garages, workshops, and indoor projects. Equipped with a 1-for-a-WG3 CSJ TOW cord, it handles up to 13A, 125V, 1625W, and features a triple outlet with a lighted indicator for low-light areas. The durable tangle-free SJ-TOW cable resists oil, water, UV, and ozone, and remains flexible in cold weather. Its automatic retract system ensures smooth retraction without kinks, and the ratcheting mechanism locks the cord at any desired length. A 180 swivel wall ceiling mount offers convenient access from any angle, and an adjustable stopper keeps the cord in reach. Safety is enhanced with a built-in 13A circuit breaker that protects against overloads and short circuits. Simply press reset to resume use. UL certified and built to last. This cord reel is a must-have for organized and efficient power management. Our third product is PlugSaf Coiled Extension Cord. This 15FT coiled extension cord is a durable and flexible power solution ideal for both industrial and indoor use. Made with 1/8 AWG wire and rated for 10A 125 volts 1250. It features a NEMA 5215P male, 25215R female plug, and is ETL-C-ETL listed for safety. Its coiled design offers an effective working length of 8 to 10 feet. Perfect for charging electric pallet trucks, powering HDTVs, computers, and other devices. Built to withstand harsh conditions, the vinyl jacket is IP65 waterproof, weather-resistant, heat-resistant, and wear-resistant. It features reinforced strain reliefs tested for over 20,000 bends and passes a 1,500 volts high-voltage test, ensuring safe and long-term use. Whether in a warehouse or home office, this extension cord provides secure, tangle-free power with flexibility and durability you can trust. Now, number 4. Fuking Automatic Pop-Up Outlet Power Strip. This ETL-listed pop-up outlet is a sleek and powerful addition to any kitchen, workshop, or conference room. Featuring 4 USAC outlets, 2 USB-A ports, 2 USB-C ports, and a 5 West wireless charger. It supports multiple devices simultaneously, including all key-enabled phones. With a 125 volts, 15A, 1875W rating and 2.4A USB output, it delivers reliable performance. Installation is simple. Cut a 4.7 inches hole and secure it from underneath. The spring-loaded mechanism allows the unit to pop up when needed and retract flush when not in use. maintaining a clean, modern countertop appearance. The wireless charger works whether extended or retracted for added convenience. Note: the interior is not waterproof, so avoid water exposure. Ideal for tech-savvy kitchens, office desks, or meeting spaces. This pop-up outlet combines utility with style to streamline your charging and power setup. And our last choice is Flexiola. Retractable extension. The Zilla-Green Retractable Extension Cord Reel is a reliable and efficient power solution for indoor use. Equipped with a lighted triple-tap outlet and power indicator light, it offers clear visibility and ample capacity for multiple devices. The built-in 13A circuit breaker with reset button protects against overloads, while the adjustable cord stopper keeps outlets within easy reach. Its 14/3 a WGS JTOW cord is oil, water, and sunlight resistant, staying flexible even in cold conditions. A 5 feet lead-in cord and grounded plug add convenience and safety. The swivel mounting bracket allows for wall or ceiling installation and pivots to match your work direction. Lock the cord in 1-foot increments for precise use. Rated at 1625W, 125 volts, 60 Hz. This CULUS listed cord reel is perfect for garages, workshops, or utility rooms, where dependable power access is essential. So, what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.